Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's second part of SOP video update, and we've seen SOP just suddenly pumping, moving up, breaking out of this ascending, falling wedge. Now the thing is that you just had that really huge green candle. You never had the opportunity to come down for the retest. It's just a very big huge green candle. You can just see that all of a sudden you shoot to the upside, and you might really just come down a little bit again to 452, and 452 can be a good entry again. Enter at 452 and try to move higher. I do think it can come down for the retest a little bit here because it's overextended. I don't think it's a good idea to catch the pump, but we need to talk about the 60% possibility pump to the upside if this happens. Okay, so that's not a clickbait or anything, but there's something that I want to talk about, and that's going to be this pattern here. So let me actually zoom out like that one, and I'm going to bring in this resistance line right there, just like that. Okay, so the pattern that I'm looking for is the rounded bottom right here. Just Google this one for you. So you're looking to go down and down and down and down, and then you're moving up like this. That is known as a rounded bottom, and then it happens when you have a downtrend, and then you start to move like that. So to me, if you do bring a curve, then we're looking for that thing to actually rotate like that and make the curve shape kind of scenario. And if you do actually be bullish enough to actually come up here and break that level, then you're looking for this to go higher. Of course, it's going to take a couple of days because I'm looking at the weekly. So I'm just giving you a heads up, like if that ever happens, then we're looking for a technical target to go from there to there, and this is going to actually come up here to 1012, and you can already see that that's going to be a price appreciation of a 68% move to the upside, right? So that's it for today's update. Quick 1 second one on SOP. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.